The Amazon is a vast region located in South America and is the region with the biggest tropical rainforest in the entire world with 7 million kilometers square, which is equivalent of 40% of the continent. Its extension covers 9 different countries including Bolivia, Colombia, Brazil, Peru, and many more. And it is also one of the places with the highest ecological impact in the world. Great part of the carbon cycle that is crucial to the climate conditions of the planet is produced in the Amazon. That's why it is often called the lung of the planet, without mentioning that on it resides the most abundant river in the world, the Amazon River, that covers 6,400 kilometers and it represents one-fifth of the fresh water that ends up in the oceans. Also, this great jungle contains around one quarter of the terrestrial species of the planet. Imagine having in just one place 25% of the terrestrial species of the planet. Okay, now as the Amazon plays such an important role in the carbon dioxide regulation in the atmosphere, the problem of deforestation has a great impact in the climate changes, and thanks to the deforestation, the trees that can recycle the air are being destroyed, and the burning of these trees are responsible of the 20% of the annual gases with greenhouse effect in the atmosphere. Moreover, it is the second most vulnerable area after the Arctic, and the destruction of the jungles makes that more CO2 is spread to the atmosphere, increasing the temperatures, which can end up in droughts and climate changes all over the world. The total tropical vegetation of the world is able to catch around 200 million thousand tons of carbon, and 7 million thousand tons of those 200 of carbon are processed by Amazon vegetation. As this ecosystem is facing the deforestation problem, and it is more often nowadays, a rapid deforestation means that more carbon is converted to carbon dioxide, and the ability to absorb the carbon produced by cars, power plants, factories, once the forest disappears, disappears. The Amazon can be found in Colombia. The Amazon region of Colombia, or simply Amazon, is the 41% of the national territory and is the least populated area of the country. Its area is 403.348 kilometers square of Amazon territory, which is the 6.2% of the complete Amazon, and the departments that contain Amazon jungle in Colombia are Amazonas, Putumayo, Caquetá, Guanía, Guaviare, Vaupés, Nariño, Cauca, and Meta. Deforestation is indeed a problem that the Amazon is having, and in the years 2010 to 2012, Colombia had a serious deforestation problem in the Amazon, and the deforestation rate per year was an alarming 800 kilometers square. This problem was big, and it had to be important for the government, as if it was left like that, the rate would tend to increase, and we are talking of more than 800 kilometers square of tropical rainforest per year that is gone. It is equivalent to 66.66 kilometers square per month. And as Colombia has the 6.2% of the Amazon, it is a really important area and fundamental for environment balance in the planet, including temperature. The increase of illegal crops, illegal logging, mining, and even road infrastructure are the main causes of the deforestation problem of the Colombian Amazon jungle. And one hypothesis that Paola Zúñiga states was that these phenomena are being caused thanks to the colonization, as the people cut down the trees mainly to grow food for eating and selling, and to gain more terrain to feed the cattle, and sometimes to create roads, sometimes legal and sometimes illegal. But there is another problem that comes with this. As Amazon is so like apart from civilization, there is not like a control from the government, which means more illicit crops of cocaine, and it ends up in more areas that face deforestation. This problem was and is still devastating for nature. In the Amazon, as all the individuals that live in those trees are being literally expelled from their habitat. Also, the floor in which those trees were living suffer as well, as many individuals live beneath those trees, and sometimes when the tree falls, it can end up above many of those individuals, like insects and animals, killing them or leaving them exposed to the wild. Many traffic levels are being affected, but primary consumers and primary collectors, like plants and herbivores, like insects or even monkeys, are the most affected. This can easily interfere and even break a traffic chain, as the individuals that were there, they are gone, dead or expelled. Either way, they are gone. This problem has been growing a lot from the past few years, and although this problem I was mentioning was from 3 years ago, we still make the same mistakes that can lead to massive extinction, high deforestation, and non normal climate changes. We have to make people care about this, or we'll be ending up with a forest that was there but now is not there anymore. One good solution for this would be sending more support of the government to the Amazon to stop the illegal crops and illegal mining. But as it seems that the government doesn't care anymore of the Amazon or Choco or Guajira, another way to fix this could be making natural reserves that were isolated. That way trees can grow in peace and alone. Another solution that could work for everyone could be seeding and harvesting of trees. The project is simple and it is the following. For every tree that is cut, seed another one to replace the fallen one. That way we can recycle the earth and we will have a lot of wood for whatever without worrying about the damage that this could make.